Good afternoon. This is Team 1 DAT presenting Module 5 about digital collaboration and ethics. I'm Doye Kwan Jasmine, representing Team 1 DAT to present this presentation. So we'll start with Google Docs and how version history supports better teamwork. With version history, we can track every change made to a document over time. If someone makes a mistake, we can easily restore the document to a previous version. We can also label drafts with names like Final Draft Version 1, which makes it easier to find specific versions later on. Another helpful feature is seeing contributions. Google Docs shows exactly who edited what, which keeps group work transparent and organized. Next, we move on to Google Workspace with collaboration, based on the Zapier guide. Google Workspace makes teamwork more efficient. We can set different sharing permissions like viewer, commenter, or editor to control who can do what. Real-time editing lets multiple people work on the same document at the same time, which is great for group projects. We can also use comments and tagging to give feedback or assign tasks to teammates. And with suggestion mode, we can propose edits without changing the original text until everyone sees and agrees. Now, let's talk about digital ethics based on the IDB Tech Report. Digital ethics focuses on the moral responsibilities involved in using technology, which one major challenge is algorithmic bias, where automated systems may unintentionally discriminate, for example, in hiring or credit scoring. Another key issue is transparency. Users deserve to know how their data is being collected and used. Privacy is also important, as technology companies must balance data collection with protecting people's rights. Technology impacts many areas of our life, from jobs to housing to daily decision making. So the overall goal is to promote trustworthy and fair technological practices. Next is collaborating with groups. Using a single shared email address allows the whole team to be contacted at once. Bulk sharing lets us share docs, sheets, or slides with the entire group in just one step. Calendar invites can be sent to group emails so events automatically appear to everyone. And with centralized access, any new group member instantly gains access to all previous shared files. So there's no need to reshare everything. And finally, we look at the Purdue OWL's guide on avoiding plagiarism. Plagiarism is using someone else's words or ideas without proper credits, whether intentional or accidental. The consequences can include academic penalties or even legal issues. To avoid plagiarism, we must always attribute our sources when coding, paraphrasing, or summarizing. It's also important to use our own voice and build on existing ideas rather than copying others. So, thank you for listening our presentation.